poison. Hey.
Let's go.
Cause why should we suffocate? Thought is on the gun, yeah.